Did you know that a New York taxi driver learned English just by listening to podcasts during traffic jams? True story. He couldn't take classes. He had no time for textbooks. But he made time for 5 minutes a day. And now he chats with tourists like a native. Welcome back to the English Podcast Show. I'm your host, Emma, and today we're tackling one of the biggest challenges for learners. How can I learn English when I have no time? If you're a student, an office worker, a busy parent, or even preparing for IELTS, this episode is your solution. And hey, if you missed yesterday's deep dive on phrasal verbs in real life, go give it a listen. It's a fan favorite. And yes, today's free PDF includes all the examples, vocabulary, and practice routines you'll hear today. So be sure to grab it and share it with that one friend who always says, "I'm too busy to learn English." As always, I'm joined by Alex, who literally built his English skills during lunch breaks and tram rides.
Hey Emma! Hey everyone! I'm Alex, full-time employee, part-time language lover, and expert at squeezing English into my 10-minute lunch break.
Segment 1, Why 5 minutes a day works. Alex, let's break a myth. People believe if you can't study for an hour, it's not worth starting. But is that true?
Not at all. Think of language learning like brushing your teeth. You don't do it once a week for 2 hours. You do it daily, short, effective, and consistent. And with English, even 5 minutes can build fluency.
Yes. In fact, microlearning, that's the fancy term, is scientifically proven to boost memory. Plus, it's perfect for busy folks like you. Segment 2, 5-minute daily English routine. So let's show our listeners exactly how to use those 5 minutes. We've divided it into 3 parts. Here's what you can do in 5 minutes, even during a coffee break. 1. Listen to Newt audio. Use a podcast clip, like this one, or a voice note. Replay it once. Focus on intonation and sentence structure. Example, "I'm running late. I'll catch up with you later." Repeat, then try to say it aloud in your tone. 2. Practice 2 sentences in real context. Write or say 2 sentences based on your day. Example, "I have a client meeting at 3. Let's grab lunch before that." Use what's real in your life. It helps the brain stick the info. 3. Mirror talk. 1 minute only look into a mirror. Talk about your day. It feels weird at first, but it builds fluency fast. Example, "This morning I woke up late. I skipped breakfast but managed to catch the tram. Work was hectic." Segment 3. Real-life situations for busy people. Let's explore how busy people can use English in their actual life. 1. In the office. "Could you drop me an email by noon? I'll get back to you after the meeting." 2. At the coffee shop. "A latte, please. No sugar. Can I get it to go?" 3. Commuting on the tram bus. Listen to an English audio. Repeat short phrases silently or whisper them. 4. In a text message, "Sorry, I'm tied up. Let's reschedule. We'll call you after work."
Segment 4. Speaking hacks for the time-starved. Here are 3 life-saving hacks I use to make time for English. Phone wallpaper notes. Set your lock screen as a sentence. "I'm stuck in traffic." You'll read it 20 times a day. Voice notes to yourself. Record 30-second diary entries on WhatsApp. Mini Post-it challenges. Write 1 phrase a day. Stick it on your fridge, mirror, or keyboard.
Now it's time for our favorite segment, Wordwise with Maria. She's going to explain some of the key vocabulary and phrases we use today. Over to you, Maria. Wordwise with Maria.
Thanks, Emma. Hello, everyone. I'm Maria, your vocabulary coach here on the English Podcast Show. Let's take a moment to understand some useful words and phrases from today's discussion. These are not only great for your IELTS speaking test, but also in real-life conversations.
Juggle, verb. She juggles work, studies, and parenting effortlessly, meaning manage many things at once. Time crunched. He's always time crunched during the weekdays, meaning short on time. Productivity hack. Listening to English on my run is my favorite productivity hack. On the fly? He made that decision on the fly, meaning quickly without planning. To pencil in, can I pencil you in for Friday? Meaning tentatively schedule something. Back-to-back meetings. I have back-to-back meetings today, meaning one meeting after another. Multitask. She multitasks like a pro, meaning doing many things at once. Swamped. Sorry, I'm swamped with emails right now, meaning overwhelmed. Catch up on something. I need to catch up on work, meaning do something you delayed. Burnout. Watch out for burnout, take breaks, meaning exhaustion from overwork. Here's your final challenge. Take 5 minutes right now and speak one sentence about your day. That's it. If a New York cab driver can master English in traffic, you can too. And don't forget, the full PDF with all phrases, vocabulary, and real examples is linked in the description. Print it, share it, post it on your fridge. Tag us at English Podcast Show and show us your 5-minute routine. We'd love to feature you. Subscribe, comment your favorite phrase, and send this to that friend who's too busy. Until next time, stay consistent, stay curious, and never underestimate the power of 5 minutes. Bye, everyone.